All right, here we go. Who's the surgeon?
The thing.
The girl with the finger. Grab the scissors. Tell me if it gets out of camera view. I'm gonna pull this up, and you're gonna cut right there. Yep.
I can't trust you.
Cut along the sides now. Other side? Other side? Now, put the scissors down. Take your thumb, stick it under there, and pull it up. Now I'm going to hold it down. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. And there are your organs. Now let go. So you can see there's the heart up there, there's the liver, there's the gizzard, and the intestines are underneath that.
Those are the strawberries.
No, it's not a strawberry. Alright, now, if somebody has clean hands, can they click the stop button?
Okay.
Just, yeah.